Hello friends, I hope you have comprehended the matter we shared with you so far. And right now I'd like to remind you that we are doing WH questions. At the onset I told you that we have two types of WH questions. The first type is those that entail a yes or no answer. And the second type of WH questions give a specific answer. Okay, right now we will be going into those kind of WH questions which are used specifically with pronouns, with adjectives, with adverbs, so that we know exactly how they have to be utilized and how we get a specific answer to them. Now, first of all, let's go to interrogative pronouns. Now, interrogative pronouns, you have who, whose, whom, which and what. See the first example. Who is knocking at the door? Who? Maybe you can say the postman is knocking at the door, or the servant is knocking at the door. So you specify your answer with the WH question. Okay? Second one. Whose is this umbrella? Now here, this umbrella is mine. This umbrella is yours. So I specifically answer to the question whom. Let's take the next one. Which of the pictures do you like best? There are a plethora of pictures and you have been asked to make a choice. So which of the pictures do you like best? Maybe you say, I like the huge picture best, or I like the small one best. So accordingly, you specify your answer to the question which. Now come to the next one. What do you want? I want a book. I want a glass of water. I want to leave the room. So many answers you can specify. So all these whose, who, whose, whom, which and what are all interrogative pronouns. Let's go to the next one. Interrogative adjectives. Now here also you have three interrogative words. What kind of? We just write what, we say what, but actually it is of what kind or what kind of. I repeat again, it's either what kind of or of what kind. Okay? Then which and last of all whose. Now first question, what kind of a flower is this? Look at this, what kind of? I've placed it before the noun. This WH question is placed before the noun. It precedes the noun. So, what kind of a flower is this? This is an shoe flower, or maybe this is hibiscus, whatever. You specify your answer to a question. But remember, for an interrogative adjective, the question is placed before the noun. It precedes the noun. Let's go to the next one. Which way shall we go? The word way is a noun. I've used the which question which. We shall go this way. We shall go that way. So, I've used the question which before the noun way. So, interrogative adjectives are placed before nouns. Maybe pronouns also sometimes. Whose book is this? So, again, the question whose, WH question whose, is placed before the noun book. This is my book. This is your book. This is his book. So my book, your book, his books, these are pronouns, but they are placed before a noun. His book, your book, my book, right? So here the word whose is placed before the noun. So remember children that all these are interrogative pronouns. They stand by themselves. Interrogative adjectives are placed before nouns. So these are what we call WH questions, which are very necessary when we ask questions otherwise. Now let us proceed to interrogative adverbs. Now here interrogative adverbs could be when, where, how, why. These are the WH questions for interrogative adverbs. Let's take the first example. Where is Abdul? Here I begin with the WH question, where? Maybe my answer will be Abdul is outside the class. Abdul is not in the class. So I have a specific answer to my question, where is Abdul? Next one, when did you come? Now, I came at 12 o'clock. I came just now. I came quite soon. So I have a specific answer to my question, when did you come? Let's take the next one. Why are you late? Why? So you're going to give the reason. I am late because I missed the bus. Or I am late because I could not start early from home. It could be any reason that you give which answers the question, why? Specific answer. Come to the next one. How did you do your work? This asks about the manner in which you did your work. I did my work regularly, or I did my work specifically. I did my work shabbily. Why not? Some of us are shabby, aren't we? No, we shouldn't be, but we are. So, how did you do your work? How tall is the tower? The tower is 20 feet tall. You're specifying. Okay? The tower is quite tall. You're saying the degree. It's not very specific, quite, but it is pretty tall. So, these questions, where, when, why, how, these questions are used as interrogative adverbs. So, you use this question either for an adverb or for an adverb phrase. Have you comprehended? Very good. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.